Welcome to the fascinating world of manatees at Fort DeSoto. This is a DeSoto Beach marine life production. Manatees, often called sea cows, are the gentle giants that live in the warm coastal waters of Florida. These serene creatures captivate our attention with their slow, graceful movements and peaceful presence. Manatees are gentle and slow-moving creatures. While they are friendly towards people, it's important not to touch, chase, or block their paths, as these actions disturb their natural behavior, are illegal, and can result in fines. Manatees start their day early in the morning, between 6 and 8:30, as the sun warms the waters. They are herbivores, consuming 10 to 15% of their body weight daily in plants, with a preference for low-hanging mangrove leaves, roots, and seagrass. Mangrove leaves and roots provide manatees with a valuable food source of trace minerals, fiber, and moisture. Even though they live in the ocean, they do not drink salt water. Manatees eat mangrove leaves, and occasionally roots, because they're opportunistic herbivores. The mangrove forests provide not only food, but also shelter and a quiet place to rest and raise their young. The dense roots create calm and shallow waters where manatees, especially calves, can rest and be safe away from threats such as boat traffic and strong currents. As their primary food source, the underwater seagrass meadows supply manatees with abundant, easily accessible vegetation. The nutritional value of the plant supports their health and energy needs. Growing in thick clusters, the vegetation is easy for manatees to graze. With low levels of toxins, the plants offer a safe and reliable diet. Using their lips, they grab and tear the blades of grass before chewing them with their molars, that continuously regenerate throughout their lives. Manatees have no natural enemies and live peacefully with sharks and alligators. However, they face threats from humans, such as collisions with motorboats, entanglement in fishing lines, and ingestion of debris. Manatee scars tell a story. While minor scratches fade quickly, deep wounds from boat propellers can last for years. Manatees have a slow metabolism and calm nature that may help them heal. Serious injuries can be fatal. Along the beach, a sandbar stretches from the east beach to the north beach. From the shore it appears as a pale green ribbon just offshore. Separating it from the shore is a darker green channel, what I like to call the superhighway. This channel is deeper and more dynamic, creating a striking contrast with the lighter hues of the sandbar and beach. The sandbar typically lies submerged beneath 3 to 7 feet of water, while the superhighway ranges from 4 to 12 feet deep, depending on tides and currents. Within this channel, two distinct layers of water flow in tandem, a warmer surface layer gliding above a cooler, denser layer below. These layered currents create an efficient route for marine life. Fish, manatees, dolphins, and even sharks use the superhighway to travel swiftly along the coast, taking advantage of the natural water flow. It's a hidden expressway beneath the waves, an aquatic corridor shaped by the rhythms of the sea. After a delicious feast on vegetation, manatees take a swim along the Fort DeSoto coast, heading toward the Gulf Pier. After rubbing against the pier's pilings, the manatees move to the inside of the jetty where the water is exceptionally warm. This warmth comes from the sun-heated rocks, which transfer their heat to the water flowing through the jetty. Additionally, the water column is shallower due to the sand deposited inside the jetty. After resting, the manatees often head to the Sheepshead cleaning station for additional barnacle and algae cleaning. Sheepshead fish provide a cleaning station for manatees by nibbling off barnacles and algae from the manatees' backs with their strong human-like teeth. This symbiotic relationship benefits both species. The manatees get rid of unwanted parasites and debris, while the sheepshead fish get a reliable source of food. This cleaning process typically occurs in areas where manatees gather, such as the inside of jetties where the water is exceptionally warm due to sun-heated rocks. This interaction not only helps keep the manatees healthy but also provides an interesting spectacle for observers, showcasing the intricate relationships within marine ecosystems. Mother manatees share a special bond with their calves, teaching them survival skills and foraging techniques through close contact and patient guidance. These gentle giants often swim side by side, with the mother leading the calf to reliable feeding grounds and warm water refuges. The calves mimic their mother's slow, methodical feeding style, using their flippers to manipulate plants. This close bond ensures that the calves learn essential skills for their survival. Mothers usually give birth every 2 to 5 years, depending on the environment, availability of food, and stress. Calves stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills and behaviors. During this period, mothers nurse their young from nipples found behind their flippers while swimming. While at the pier and jetty, observers can witness the majestic manatees as they gracefully approach the pier, navigate around the jetty, and continue their journey on the superhighway, or choose to visit some of the people in the water near the superhighway. Manatees may be mellow, but their mating behavior is surprisingly dynamic. When a female enters sexual receptivity and fertility at about 5 years old, she's pursued by a males. This may be in a one-on-one basis or in a mating herd of as many as 12 or more. Get ready for a dramatic display of manatee courtship. In this captivating clip, you'll witness a female manatee, in estrus, being pursued by a determined male. The scene unfolds as the female attempts to temporarily beach herself, trying to escape the eager crowd of males. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Watch as one of the males, undeterred, walks on his flippers in a remarkable show of determination to be with the female. This energetic chase, filled with nudging, vocalizing, and gentle biting, can last for hours or even days. While it may look chaotic, this is perfectly normal and healthy behavior, showcasing the fascinating world of manatee mating rituals. Males from age of 9 compete for access, often nudging and jockeying for position. The female will mate with multiple males when she becomes fertile. Gestation takes about 13 months, typically resulting in a single calf. Occasionally, male manatees may come upon a mother tenderly caring for her calf. In a dramatic twist, the male may attempt to separate the mother from her calf, encouraging her to enter estrus. This pursuit is relentless, as the male nudges and prods the mother, trying to isolate her from her young. The stakes are high, as the calf's survival depends on its mother's protection and guidance. If the male succeeds in separating the noticeably young calf from its mother, the outcome can be heartbreaking. The calf, still learning essential survival skills, may struggle to fend for itself and could face a dire fate. This dramatic encounter highlights the delicate balance of life in the manatee world, where the bond between mother and calf is both a source of strength and vulnerability. Join us in protecting these gentle giants and their precious calves. By supporting conservation efforts and spreading awareness, we can ensure that manatees continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Every action counts, so let's work together to safeguard the future of these incredible creatures. Dive into the world of manatees and make a difference today.